and how they affect life and organic matter. Welcome to this program. The global water distribution on Earth determines how much water there is. Notice the area of extremely dry, but the equator runs through here and it is extremely wet. Notice the yellow areas are where it's relatively dry. The types of rain is when the rain comes, whether it be moderate rain every month or heavy rain every month along the equator, or infrequent rain in the dry areas. Another way to look at rain is how much drought there is. And we see some very dry areas, of course, the desert, Sahara, and of course, the western deserts. But I was surprised to see how dry northern Alaska is. The groundwater is the water that's deep under the earth. And western United States has a good amount. So does the coast. This is where water is under the ground, under the rocks, the earth. Now in January 2010, this was a monthly rain again. The equator was very heavy, the desert was empty of rain, and southeast Alaska had some rain. Another piece of the puzzle is the global temperatures. Here, obviously, the hot temperature through the equator, stretching into Middle America and, again, Middle Alaska. Very warm. This is an average of the summer temperature. And again, the red is all around the equator. And as we go further from the equator, it gets cooler, resulting in the global organic matter. And this is somewhat surprising because the place where we saw the most rain does not have that much organic matter. The most organic matter is being accumulated in the northern aspects where there's cold and some rain and some water. Looking at Alaska, it is pretty much as we expect. Very much rain around the coast and extremely dry in Barrow. Is pretty much the same with a warm coast and a very cold north. The surprising result is in the Alaska organic matter. As it gets green to the red being the most organic matter, notice the northern climates where it's been cold for a million years has accumulated organic matter in the soil. Huge, huge amounts. Maps using the map called temperature and show the global temperatures, global water distributions, and the global organic matter accumulations on one map. The same on the North American map. Circulation patterns, temperatures, water, and organic matter accumulations. Then go to the discussion area and try to answer the question with our discussion. What is the relationship between water, temperatures, and the accumulation of organic matter? Water promotes growth. Heat promotes growth and decomposition.